Okay, it always seems like I'm doing videos here on building different lanes, like different attachments, like these pallet forks here made for the mobility Big Dipper loader. And I never get a chance to get any filming done of actually using the machinery. And today we're going to be tearing out this raised bed. It's been here for quite some time and it has blackberries in it. And the blackberries have not done very good here. So we're sick of messing with them. It's always a big battle keeping them weeded, and we're just sick of having them here and trying to mow and weed it around them. So I'm going to be tearing this bed out here today, and I'm going to be using this mobility with the forks. We're going to go ahead and pick up all these bricks, and I'm going to come in here with the Kubota L2000 tractor and level off all the dirt and get all the posts pulled and try to get this a little bit nicer. Here eventually in this area, I'm going to have a small drainage ditch coming through, so all the runoff of both high tunnels here behind me will drain off into it. But for right now, we're going to get the seal cleaned up and try out the pallet forks. I've been using them a lot, and they've really held well, and they've really been working good. I'm really impressed with them. And so we're going to see how much they can lift and see if I can't move around some pallets of bricks and try to get this area here cleaned up. Okay, we got all of the posts pulled out of here, and we went ahead, took the Kubota, and kind of spread this bed out a little bit, and it loosened up all the blackberry plants. We went ahead and got all the berry plants picked up and put in containers right over there, and we're just going to advertise them, get rid of them real cheap. Maybe someone else can use them, because I kind of hate to just throw the plants away. So I'm going to go ahead and pull out some of these rocks like that, and I'm going to go ahead here and oh, here are my glasses. I was looking for those. Anyway, so I'm going to go ahead and get the Kubota and start smoothing all this out. I'm not going to haul this dirt off. I'm just going to square it out. It's always been a little bit low here, so it needs to be built up anyway. So I'm going to go ahead, get the camera put up on the tripod, and get the Kubota running, and we'll get us finished up. And okay, I think this is going to be about as good as I can get it for right now. There's quite a few green weeds and stuff in here, like what's in this pile here. And once all that stuff kind of dies out, I'll probably get another blade and smooth it down a little more. But for the most part, it's not really too bad here the way it is. We got rain coming up here all next week, so that'll do some good, get some rain on it. That'll kind of wash it around, get it smoothed out just a little more. Let me know down below in the comments if you guys like this style of video, and we will definitely be having more of these, because we have a lot more cleanup and a lot more work here to do with the machinery. Like I said, a project here for later on is getting the drainage ditch starting from up here, and then it's going to come all the way through, and then alongside both high tunnels, and then down past the old barn, I'm going to be digging a pond down there. So that's going to be a bigger project coming up. And also another project coming up is once the backhoe's finished up is we're going to be tearing down this barn. Because the poor old thing's seen its day. So I've been really happy here so far with the pallet forks I built for this mobility Big Dipper loader. And they've really been holding out good. I've been moving a lot of stuff with them, stuff I probably shouldn't be moving, and they haven't given any signs of any trouble, and they really have been great so far. If you haven't seen the video on me building these pallet forks, there's a little tag up here in the top corner of your screen. Be sure to go check that out and watch that video. And also, so far, the quick attach I built for my little Kubota tractor for the loader bucket, it's been holding up really great too. And again, if you have not seen that video, there'll be a card up here at the top corner of your screen, so be sure to check that out and go watch that video. So we definitely have a lot more projects here coming up. So be sure to subscribe if you're not subscribed already. Hit the notification bell so you're notified of new videos. And be sure to hit the like button if you liked the video. And leave comments down below. I'd like to hear what you guys have to say. And I guess it's probably going to do it here for this video. And I'll see you next week. Thanks for watching.